Hi everyone, my name is Adam Crahen and welcome to my course, Tableau Desktop Specialist, Understanding Dimensions versus Measures and Discrete versus Continuous. I am the Director of Analytics, Practices, and Enablement here at Pluralsight, and I am also a former Tableau Zen Master. Tableau is an industry-leading data visualization tool, and this course is part of our path to the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification. In this course, you will learn how to know what Tableau will draw on the canvas before you even drag and drop. Some of the major topics we will cover include understanding data roles in Tableau, learning about discrete versus continuous filters and color legends, and finally, we will explore all of these concepts with several demos. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to know what Tableau will draw on your canvas. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose, have a general knowledge of navigating through the tool, and know how to connect to your data. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Tableau with courses on understanding aggregations, Tableau Desktop Playbook building common chart types, and manipulating data in Tableau. I hope you'll join me on this journey to prepare for the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification exam with the Tableau Desktop Specialist, Understanding Dimensions versus Measures and Discrete versus Continuous course at Pluralsight.